We care, it really matters to us that we do a really good job for people.
All of our staff have the same sort of mindset.
At ER Power, safety is number one.
ER Power manages everything from start to finish.
I'm Mark Dunville and I'm Technical Director at ER Power. Based in the North East, although we have got national reach, we work primarily in the commercial and industrial sectors. Some of the customers we work with include councils, universities, manufacturing facilities, engineering companies, anybody with a high energy usage.
We've gone from literally 3 years ago, a team of 10 to now 30 staff. An in-house design team, we've got a sales team, and we actually run our own operations team, so we have our own installations teams who go out and actually do the installs on behalf of ER Power and work for us internally.
Hi, I'm Chris Palmer, Operations Director for Advanced Renewable Power. I oversee and head up the operations team. Each installation we give the highest level of detail to how we're going to execute. A lot of planning to make sure we can be efficient and as safe as possible. So BHK, our largest install to date, 1.3 megawatt system. It's one of the largest in the northeast. The installation on the roof was around 2,400 panels, consisted of 9 inverters, 100 kilowatts each. We're not even in peak summer yet. They're already seeing self-sufficient days.
So I'm Sam Reynolds, I'm Engineering Manager here at BHK. We manufacture chipboard drawers, MDF profiles for kitchens, caravans. Basically we can mould MDF chipboard plywood to whatever shape required, wrap it in whatever foils required, drill it and basically do whatever the customer requires with it. We chose to install solar panels because energy prices quadrupled and the payback came from 10 years down to 2 or 3 years. We wanted to keep it in the northeast if possible.
I guess the support for solar and the interest in solar and where it's coming from is predominantly northeast businesses. We're really proud of being a northeast business.
Literally the day the panels were installed, we were able to monitor the consumption and the usage and what the solar panels are actually producing from the app that they provide us with. You can see some days that we're self-sufficient, and it also gives us an overview as to what we can expect next year.
ER Power are MCS accredited. More recently we've got CHAS Elite status.
So I would definitely recommend ER Power. We want someone to come in and do the job, do it well, do it safely, do it to a high standard. ER Power have done that, and the standard of the work's been second to none.
All of our staff have the same sort of mindset. That's reflected in the quality and standard of work we're able to produce.
If you're considering getting solar panels installed on your business or premises, please do get in touch with ER Power. More than happy to help.
But yeah, we're just really proud of where we've come from and where we are.